How to replace the shifter cables. Loosen the Allen bolt of the controller and rotate it so you can access the cable cover. Tighten the controller in this position. Untighten the cover screw and remove the cable cover. Remove the overdrive cable from the housing. The cable with less length is the overdrive cable. Guide the cable through the controller and bend the cable just before the pocket. Then push it out. Insert 1 cm of the new cable and rotate the grip to guide it through. Then insert it through the barrel adjusters. Now remove the underdrive cable from the housing. Rotate the controller fully counterclockwise and bend the cable just before the pocket. Then rotate the controller fully clockwise and push the cable out. You might need to help it out with a small flat screwdriver or a pick. Insert 1 cm of the new cable and rotate the grip to guide it through. Then insert it through the barrel adjusters. Make sure both cables run through their housing and reinstall the cable cover of the controller. Tighten the controller with the small screw, be careful not to over-tighten it. To finalize, untighten the 3 mm Allen bolt of the controller, and rotate it back into its right position and tighten it. Now, you're all set.